Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Live Lifestyle Life. I'm Sharmishta and today I'm going to share a mini Myntra haul with you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Stardust in the moonlight is all I wanna see. Look up in the night sky, cause you know where to be seen.
So yeah, before starting I wanted to say that this is going to be a really small haul. I mean really mini haul because I have only 4 to 5 things with me that I have purchased, and yeah, I wanted to share it with you all. So let's just start with the skincare first. So in skincare I have purchased this one. This is the Face Shop mini version, Chia Seed Advanced mini version travel kit, which is so here you get 3 products. I got it for like $5.49 or something like that, because Myntra was having a kind of offer on this. So yeah, at first we have this toner, this Chia Seed Hydro Toner. I have used this toner for once, so I can say it gives a very refreshing feeling, and I can't say anything much about it because I have used it just for once. And next we have this one. This is Hydro Lotion, Chia Seed Hydro Lotion. This one is also nice. I mean, it smells nice. I haven't really used it, so can't say anything about this one. The main reason why I purchased this, it's because of this one. The bigger size of this moisturizer is about like 2,400 rupees. I wanted to know what this moisturizer is all about, that it costs so much. So I really wanted to try this one out, and I've used it for like 2 or 3 times now, and I can say it is the best moisturizer available for oily skin people, and also for dry skin people, and also for normal type skin people. No matter what skin type you are, this is the best moisturizer you can ever have. I know it's pricey and it's a little bit on the expensive side, but I think this will last you for a really long time. If you buy the bigger one, it will at least last you for like 5 to 6 months, because you just need a little bit of the cream and it will lather all your face, and yeah, that's about it. You don't need to use too much. So that is a plus point, that will last you for a long time if you invest in this moisturizer. And also one thing about this moisturizer is that it does not make you feel greasy or oily whatsoever. I mean, that's a really great thing. So next I have is this one, Wet n Wild Lip Collection Mini Liquid Lip Collection Set. And here you get 4 lipsticks, 4 liquid lipsticks, which are very good in quality. The matte one is really great, but the glossy one, I mean, the glossy one, I thought it will be a gloss, okay? I didn't thought that it will be a glossy matte lipstick. I mean, yes, it is a glossy matte lipstick. When you apply it, it dries up and it gets matte, but it gives a shine to your lips. It's such an amazing lipstick, man. So if you are a school going or a college going girl, or you are an office going lady, you can totally try this one out. because all the 4 shades are really nice and it has a really amazing formula. I mean, this is for the first time ever I am using a Wet n Wild lipstick, and the formula of Wet n Wild liquid lipstick are just awesome because it does not dry out your lips and it is so comfortable on your lips. It's a very lightweight formula, so I really like this lipsticks. So yeah, but I really wanted to give you a swatch of this one, this glossy one, because I just love the shade. Let me show you guys this one. This is glossy plus matte, and you can carry this color like for a regular basis. The shade name of this is Life is No Pink, and you can use this color for like everyday purpose. It's a everyday color but with a shine in it. And then next I have this one from Wet n Wild again. This is the bigger size of a liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Give Me Mocha. This became my favorite shade from the moment I have received this lipstick because the shade is to die for. Whether you are in fair skin tone or dusky skin tone or medium skin tone, this will suit you. This is such a beautiful brown nude color. I love it. I love it. I really love this color. The color is Give Me Mocha. I mean, the shade name is Give Me Mocha. And the formula, Wet n Wild liquid lipstick formula, I'm in love with them. They are super comfortable on my lips. They does not dry out my lips, and they are so lightweight that I cannot even explain you guys. You have to try this one. If you buy anything from my recommendation, then please go for this one. This is worth it. I mean, you will really love it. And thank me later for this. Okay, with this too, I have received a gift because there was an offer going on in Myntra that if you shop over 700 from Wet n Wild, you will get a free lipstick. So I got this one, this Wet n Wild bullet lipstick in the shade Pink Sugar. So I really don't know what I'm going to do with this lipstick because the color of this is so weird. I mean, I don't know what to do with this lipstick, but I'm definitely going to use this one in some way or the other because I don't like to waste things. So yeah. Then next I have this one, this Makeup Revolution palette in the shade Reloaded palette in the shade Marvelous. So this is a really nice palette. All the colors are so much pigmented. Just let me show you this orange, this red, and this yellow. You can see the pigmentation. It's so amazing. And guess what? I have got it only for 530 rupees. So this is really a hit for me. But there were 2 more eyeshadow palettes that I got in offer. Like there was an offer in Makeup Revolution reloaded palette, and I was getting 2 revolution palette for like 850, and I ordered that one and it came really broken. Then I got really disappointed because I was really excited about those 2 palettes as well, but they refunded me my money and they didn't take back the broken palettes. So I'm guessing that I'm going to use the broken palettes because there are some colors which are still in a good state that I can use them. So yeah, but they are not in a condition to show you guys, so I'm really sorry for that. But if you want, I will give a picture of the broken palette somewhere in the screen so you guys can see how it came. And yeah guys, this was my today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and comments down below what other videos you want me to do. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy, be safe. Bye bye. I'm signing off. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy.